Understanding store credit only. Hello everyone, and welcome to today's lesson. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning of a common phrase you might encounter while shopping: store credit only. This phrase has specific implications for your purchases and returns, and understanding it can save you from unexpected surprises. So, let's dive into the world of retail policies and clarify what store credit only really means. When you see a sign or policy stating store credit only, it means that the store does not offer cash refunds for returned items. Instead, they provide you with a credit that you can use for future purchases at that specific store. It's important to note that this credit is not the same as cash and is typically provided in the form of a card or a digital code. You might come across the store credit only policy in various scenarios, such as 1. Returning an item. When you return an item to the store, instead of getting your money back, the store will offer you store credit for the same amount. 2. Exchanges. Sometimes, if you want to exchange an item but the store doesn't have the exact product you're looking for, they might offer store credit until you find a suitable replacement. 3. Gift returns. If you're returning a gift without a receipt, the store may issue store credit for the item's current selling price. Understanding these scenarios will help you make informed decisions while shopping or returning items. Store credit can be both beneficial and restrictive. Here are some points to consider. Benefits: flexibility in future purchases. Store credit allows you to choose another item at your convenience. Potential to save money. If the item you want to buy later is on sale, you might save some money using your store credit. Limitations: limited to one store or chain. Store credit can typically only be used at the specific store or its branches, limiting your options. Expiration dates. Some store credits come with expiration dates, so you need to use them within a certain time frame. Understanding the store credit only policy helps you navigate your shopping and return experiences more effectively. Always read the store's return policy carefully and ask questions if something is unclear. We hope this video has been helpful in clarifying the concept of store credit. Happy shopping, and see you in our next video.